Your Q4 profits will be decided in the next 3 minutes. Don't waste it on maybes. We're giving you 5 data-proven RC toy bestsellers with massive profit margins. Ready to win Christmas? First, the 4DRC V4 drone. It puts an HD camera in anyone's hands, with SmartFly tech making it perfect for beginners. The numbers? A 40% profit margin, backed by a predictable holiday search spike on Google Trends year after year. From the air to the water, the S5 high-speed RC boat. It blasts past 20 miles per hour and even rights itself if it flips. This is a main gift, wow factor with a 44% profit margin. The impulse buys on this are huge. Next, a beast for the land, the RC monster truck. It dominates any terrain and is so tough, you can literally stand on it. This high-perceived value means a massive 47% profit margin, with Google Trends showing a perfect, predictable holiday demand storm. Looking for stunts? The Y2 RC stunt car delivers. Drive it with a remote or a gesture control watch, and hit the nitro mist boost. This is a goldmine with a massive 54% profit margin and clockwork-like holiday demand. Finally, the RC excavator. Its alloy bucket actually digs and moves sand, offering a skill-building experience parents love. With a solid 27% margin and another predictable Christmas demand spike, it's a reliable bestseller. These are our 5 hand-picked best-selling remote-controlled toys, guaranteed to be a hit this Christmas.